Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark, I love Ferrari, and today we're gonna do something very special. Well, that's been a crazy 24 hours. Little leap back in time. Yesterday, a week ago, I got an invitation for Munsterhuis sport cars to drive Ferrari Roma, Portofino or the F8. I signed in, was organized by the club. I signed in, didn't get any response, but oh well, who am I? I can live with that. No problem, don't worry about it. Yesterday, I spoke to someone, he said, didn't they respond to you? How come? Well, all went up very quickly, so I'm going right now to Munsterhuis sports car, a 2-hour drive, just to drive in the F8 Spider. Let's go! Oh, wait! By the way, I don't know if I can film something. I didn't tell them about my vlogging thing, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some good pictures, maybe some video if it's possible, and afterwards I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm so excited. Bye! Well, I did get to film something, so here's a quick lineup of the cars. You see the Portofino, the Roma and the F8 Spider. I got to drive that Giallo F8 Spider you just saw, and wait 1 second. Listen to that. But I got to drive the yellow one, this one. Perfectly spec'd, lots of carbon fiber, fantastic car.
We have an optional display for the passenger. We're in the modern car, really. Yeah. Very different. And if you want to you can use the manual, you can use the paddle shifts.
Yeah.
So you can go up and down on the gears while it's on automatic, and then if you want to be fully on a manual, you just press the auto button. It takes the manual on the dashboard and go right at the right. I'm just going to follow them. No, it's quite compact. Yeah. It's a 7th gear, a lot of torque. Still 720 horsepower with 80 Newton meters. It's very smooth all the time.
My overall impression with this car is that it is really fantastic. This car is suitable for vacation. It's just so smooth. The brakes are incredible. Power is good enough. The sound is okay. Maybe not as good as a Challenge Stradale or something, but it actually sounds really good from the inside. I didn't had any feeling of fear while driving. Maybe that could be a downside. That's why I like more maybe the older Ferraris a little bit more. But in my opinion, this is really a good car. And like always, Ferrari did a big step up again with this car. Fantastic.
Yeah, I can say we could probably close down.
Yeah.
We need to go slow down.
Try keep it below 40. Where do we
Straight.
start?
There you go. Done. So
Wow.
to your windscreen wipers behind the wheel, behind where your fingers are.
Yeah.
You can give it a brief touch.
Ah,
There you go.
yeah, I was looking for them, but
And if not, you have the setup here, so you can leave it.
ah, okay. Yeah.
While we were driving, it started to rain. I had some troubles finding the windscreen wipers, but the good thing is that you can lower the speed until about 45 kilometers an hour, and just in 14 seconds, close the roof. And it's quite quick. I didn't really notice anything, and I didn't get wet or something. So, well, it's perfect for this type of car. And I think when you drive on a highway with the light rain we had, I could have easily kept it open. I wouldn't get wet at all. But it's magnificent seats also. Should have taken some pictures of the seats. The F8 Spider has taken state-of-the-art aerodynamic solutions and molded them into the production mid-rear engine drop top that makes the highest level of performance accessible to drivers of all abilities. Yes, this is a quote from Ferrari itself, but it really is true. The high level of downforce, you feel it, and the car is so stable, and it gives you a lot of confidence at high speed. And with the roof off, they say the aerodynamic performance is the same as the Tributo, and well, that I think is very special for a drop-top car. Just an amazing feeling driving this car. Well, like always, this car is better than any Ferrari. A drop-top Ferrari produced before. That's typical Ferrari. Every car is a leap forward in time, and this twin-turbo engine is incredibly flexible. The maximum torque is at just 30 through 50 RPM, but the whole car is designed to produce more performance for less effort, and that is where I find a little problem, because I think it's a good thing for people who can't really drive fast cars, but for people who can drive, maybe you want something more, and that's where the Manatino comes in. You can take it all off and take this car to the track and push it to its limits.
It has the flaps for aerodynamics at certain speed, so it will give you stability, but that's under the floor, the front and the
Okay.
There's no fixed spoiler, but the diffuser and the bottom of the car, they work on aerodynamics as well.
Okay.
So it gives you
in control. Makes the adrenaline beat, but not the fear.
Well, this is going to be another quote of the Ferrari brochure, because simply the lines that stand there, the text is just, it describes it perfectly. The engine is the heart and soul of every Ferrari. And no Ferrari engine has won more plaudits, I don't even know what that word means, but who cares, than the superb V8 that's in the F8 Spider. It's International Engine of the Year for 4 straight years, and best engine of the past 2 decades.
3
I don't know if it won that, but it was voted, and I'm reading it right now, it was voted to be the best engine of the past 2 decades. The latest version of the Ferrari V8 produces 720 CV, brake horsepower, giving the new F8 Spider a phenomenal performance. Okay, I'm blabbering, you know that. It can rev up to 8,000 RPM, but and I'm going back to the driving experience I had. You can play with the 7 gears between the 2 and the 7 in any speed. Fantastic. Final words before we end this video. I had a little walk through the showroom, in the showroom of Munsterhuis, to have a look at the other cars they have. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show you them. But I want to thank Munsterhuis for this fantastic experience I got. The F8 is truly on my bucket list. But you couldn't hear it, but the driver, or the, how do you call it, the co-pilot who gave me the instructions, we both decided that the 458 would be a perfect Ferrari for me next to the 308. So maybe, you know, in the future, when the lottery comes to me, we'll see. Well guys, what an amazing journey this day has been. Oh my god. Esperienza Ferrari. Well, an experience it was. I got to drive the F8 Spider, yeah, today. A huge shout out to Ferrari Munsterhuis for making this possible. Crazy car. I can't explain how crazy. This is what you've just seen. Got an memory stick with footage of the drive. Very thoughtful, very creative. And well, this is something that the brochure of the F8 Spider we got. And look at this. I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. It's just very creative. You know, the marketing guys of Ferrari really know stepped up the game. Got some lovely posters. The F8. This is also the model I was driving. Some technical information. Engine. We've got here another poster. And oh well, some more explanation. What an amazing car. I'm more like an old Ferrari type of guy, but I can get used to this. It's just more info and info. And just the whole experience, also with Munsterhuis, with the cars they displayed and everything. Oh well. It makes you feel a little bit special and still just still normal. I was wearing a simple shirt. When I was a kid, I always used to think that you needed a suit and tie to go to a Ferrari dealership, but those days are gone. And I really think that they did a great job in introducing the car. And well, maybe I am not the one at this point to buy a car brand new, but I'm sure gonna take this experience with me. And if ever I meet someone thinking about Ferrari, yeah, I'm a real ambassador. I really love the brand, and I really love the way they, in the past, but also in the future, are in the market. And I'm so thankful to be part of this journey. I'm a happy man. Hell yeah. So thank you, Munsterhuis and the Ferrari Owner Club NL, who arranged the appointment with Munsterhuis for me for having this day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully someday I can do a real test drive review of the F8 Spider. This was a little bit because I couldn't film all the time. But amazing car, amazing drive, amazing day. Thank you for watching. Join me. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.